Today we are going to be reviewing the Whoop. I'm pretty excited about this. We currently have a Fitbit, and recently we've had major issues with it syncing. It's been 2.5 weeks now with just problem after problem. So, it's time we are going to upgrade and go with something else. This one's got sleep, strain, recovery, respiratory rate, blood oxygen, heart rate, max heart rate, average heart rate, skin temperature, calories, coaching, journaling, activities, goals, potential, well-being, and yourself. So guys, this is what it looks like in the packaging. You have your little setup guide, little manual in here, battery, charger. It says charge before use, so we're gonna have to do that. This is the actual monitor, which is pretty cool looking. Very lightweight, and charging cable. Wow, that feels so much different than the Fitbit. Wow. So that's what it looks like on. You can adjust the strap. It feels better on. Like, it doesn't feel like it's going to bother me as bad as the Fitbit. So guys, when pairing, it can be a little confusing. First, you want to charge up your little battery bank here, and then you want to charge this fully up, and then you just keep tapping on the top once it's fully charged, and it will turn and start blinking blue. Once that happens, should be able to pair it. So I had an issue with it pairing. It wouldn't find it. So what I did was I turned my phone off and then completely on again. And before I opened the app, I just tapped, got the blue light on here. I opened the app and quick went through, create the account up to pair, and it found it right away instantly. So if you guys have a problem, that might help.